SpinTel Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll provide a detailed review of SpinTel, a well-regarded internet provider in Australia. For your convenience, links to their plans and current promotions are included in the description below. Be sure to check them out for the latest deals. SpinTel is known for its straightforward plans, competitive pricing, and reliable performance, catering to both residential and business customers. They offer a range of NBN plans across different speed tiers, from basic 12 Mbps to ultra-fast 1 Gbps. This makes SpinTel suitable for a variety of users, whether you're a casual browser, remote worker, heavy streamer, or a household with multiple connected devices. Additionally, they provide mobile and voice bundles, which can save you money if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. One of SpinTel's standout features is its affordability. They consistently rank among the best value providers in Australia, often offering promotional discounts on their plans for the first 6 months. All plans come with unlimited data, ensuring no interruptions for heavy internet users. Plus, SpinTel operates on a month-to-month contract model, giving you the flexibility to switch or cancel without penalties. SpinTel places a strong emphasis on delivering consistent speeds, even during peak hours, which is critical for streaming, online gaming, or video conferencing. They also provide a BYO modem option, or you can purchase a pre-configured modem from SpinTel for a seamless setup. Their straightforward configuration process ensures you're online quickly, and their network reliability is frequently praised by users. Customer support is another highlight. SpinTel offers Australian-based support available through phone, email, and live chat during extended hours. Their team is known for being responsive and helpful, making them a great choice for those who value strong customer service. In summary, SpinTel is an excellent option for anyone seeking a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible internet provider. Whether you're a light user or someone with high-speed needs, SpinTel's plans offer great value. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and their latest promotions.